Hi students, we are going to see exercise 7.6 sum number 13, 14 and 15. Sum number 13 tan inverse of x. So let us take I is equal to tan inverse of x. So let I equal to tan inverse of integral tan inverse of x dx. Here tan inverse of x is an inverse function. So our priority, the first priority will be for inverse function by ILATE. So u is equal to tan inverse of x, dv is equal to dx. So du by dx is equal to tan inverse of x. If I differentiate, we get 1 divided by 1 plus x square. dv, if I integrate that, we get v equal to x. Integral of dv is v, integral of dx is x. Now du is equal to dx divided by 1 plus x square. Now we can use in the formula. Integral tan inverse of x dx is equal to uv, that is tan inverse of x, into v value is x minus integral v du. V is x, du value is dx divided by 1 plus x square. So this is equal to x tan inverse of x minus, here let us multiply and divide by 2 in order to get the form log mod 1 plus x square. So this is equal to x tan inverse of x minus half, and the integral of 2x by 1 plus x square value is log mod 1 plus x square. If we differentiate, we get the previous step. So x tan inverse of x minus half log mod 1 plus x square plus c is the answer. Sum number 14, x log x the whole square. So let us take I is equal to x log x the whole square. So I is equal to integral x log x the whole square into dx. So here we choose u is equal to, by the choice of u, ILATE, so we choose u is equal to log x the whole square because log comes first. So log x the whole square, remaining dv is equal to x dx. So du by dx is equal to 2 log x into 1 by x dv. If I integrate, we get v is equal to x square by 2. So integral x log x the whole square into dx is equal to uv. U is log x the whole square, v value is x square by 2 minus integral v du. So x square by 2, du is 2 log x divided by x into this dx comes there. So into dx. So this is equal to x square by 2 log x the whole square minus integral 2 and 2 gets cancelled and 1x gets cancelled. We left with x log x into dx. Now we have to once again use the form u dv. So let us name this to be as equation 1. Consider x log x, that is the integral of x log x dx. So here the choice of u will be obviously log x, and dv is equal to the remaining part x dx. So du by dx equal to log x, if I differentiate we get 1 by x, v equal to x square by 2. So now let us substitute in the formula uv minus integral v du. Okay. So integral x log x dx is equal to u value is log x, v value is x square by 2, uv minus integral v du. V value is x square by 2, du value is 1 by x into dx. So 1x gets cancelled, x square by 2 log x minus integral 1 by 2 x dx. So x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integral of x value is x square by 2 plus c. So this is equal to x square by 2 log x minus x square divided by 2 into 2 is 4 plus c. Let us name it as 2. So we substitute 2 in 1. So 1 implies integral x log x the whole square into dx equal to x square by 2 log x the whole square minus the integral of x log x is x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c. Minus is common. Minus is common for x square by 2 log x and x square by 4. Okay. So let us put the bracket. So this is equal to x square by 2 log x the whole square minus x square by 2 log x, minus into minus gives plus, x square by 4 plus c is the answer. Sum number 15, x square plus 1 into log x. So let us name I is equal to x square plus 1 into log x. So I is equal to integral x square plus 1 log x dx. So let us see the choice of u, I, L, A, T, E. So we choose log x value to be as u. So u is equal to log x and remaining will be obviously x square plus 1 into dx. So that we take to be as dv. So du by dx equal to 1 by x and v is equal to, here we just split the integral x square dx plus integral dx. So this is equal to x cube by 3 plus x. So integral, that is I value will be u v. So u value is log x, v value is x cube by 3 plus x minus integral v du. Integral v value is x cube by 3 plus x. So x cube divided by 3 plus x, v du. Du value is dx by x, that is 1 by x into dx. So this is equal to log x into x cube by 3 plus x minus integral x cube by 3 into 1 by x plus x into 1 by x. I am multiplying 1 by x inside the bracket. So this is equal to log x cube by 3 plus x minus integral 1x gets cancelled. So x square by 3 dx minus 1x gets cancelled, integral dx. I am multiplying minus also inside the bracket. So this is equal to log x cube by 3 plus x minus 1 by 3 is a constant. Integral of x square is x cube divided by 3 minus integral of dx is x plus c. So this is equal to log x, here I missed x. So log x into x cube by 3 plus x minus x cube divided by 9 minus x plus c is the answer.